So guys, for the first step, you want to click on the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. Windows key R, which will now pull up the run box. And now once you're on this, you want to type in C:\Windows\system32 and then click on enter. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to find ctfmon. We're going to scroll down until we find ctfmon. Let's keep on going down until we find ctfmon. And now once we find ctfmon, you want to right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on send to and then desktop. We should now be having the ctfmon shortcut on our desktop and we can now close out of this. For the next step, you want to open up the run box again. So you want to press on the Windows key and R on your keyboard. Windows key R. And now once you're on this, you want to type in shell:\common space startup and then click on enter. And we should now be on this. And now once we're here, you want to drag ctfmon on our desktop into this folder. And then continue. For the next step, we can now restart our computer and then the problem should be fixed.